Are you feeling constantly drained, as if your body just isn't working the way it used to? Do you wake up tired, struggle with low energy during the day, or feel mentally foggy even after getting rest? If you've tried diets, caffeine, or random supplements and still feel off, this video is for you. Today, I'll break down a natural science-backed solution called Mitolyn, a supplement that's helping thousands of people reclaim their energy, improve brain function, and slow down aging. And I'll also explain why some versions sold online are dangerous counterfeits and how to avoid them. The official link to the legitimate website is in the description below, with limited time discounts and a money-back guarantee. Most people don't realize this, but your cells are powered by tiny energy factories called mitochondria. These structures take the food you eat and turn it into energy for your body. But here's the catch. As we age, or due to stress, poor sleep, processed food, and environmental toxins, our mitochondria weaken and die off. The result? Fatigue, brain fog, low motivation, muscle weakness, slower metabolism, and even premature aging. Think of it like this. If your mitochondria are broken, nothing in your body works at 100% anymore. That's why you feel like something is always off, no matter what you try. Mitolyn is a breakthrough supplement designed specifically to repair and regenerate your mitochondria using clinically studied ingredients. It's made in the USA, in FDA-registered, GMP-certified facilities, and it's completely natural, vegan, and stimulant-free. The core ingredients include check PQQ, pyrroloquinoline quinone, one of the only compounds known to promote mitochondrial biogenesis, the creation of new mitochondria. CoQ10, ubiquinone, a powerful antioxidant that improves how efficiently your cells produce energy. NAD+ boosters. NAD+ is a molecule that activates longevity genes and improves metabolism, brain performance, and cellular repair. L-carnitine helps convert fat into usable energy, often used by athletes. Alpha-lipoic acid protects your cells from oxidative stress and supports insulin sensitivity. B vitamins, magnesium, and other cofactors, essential for energy production and nervous system support. This isn't just a general multivitamin. It's a targeted, high-level solution for energy, focus, and cellular health. People who use Mitolyn regularly report sustained energy throughout the day without crashes, sharper memory and faster thinking, improved mood and motivation, deeper, more restful sleep, less joint and muscle pain, and even visible improvements in skin elasticity and glow. The effects usually start within 7 to 14 days, and results get stronger over time as your mitochondria heal and multiply. Because of its rising popularity, many people have started selling fake versions of Mitolyn on unauthorized sites. These imitations can be dangerous, unregulated, and don't include the actual active ingredients. Some people have even reported side effects from these counterfeit pills. Don't risk your health just to save a few dollars. The only safe place to get the real Mitolyn is through the official website, which I've linked in the description. There you'll also get 60-day money-back guarantee, exclusive discounts, fast, secure shipping. If you want to take control of your energy, focus, and long-term health, Mitolyn might be the answer you've been looking for. Click the official link in the description, check out the special offer, and see how it can transform your body from the inside out. Act now, before the promo ends. The link is in the description below.